हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, कशा आहात सगळे? मी राजश्री थोरात आणि पुन्हा सगळ्यांचं पुन्हा एकदा माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये खूप खूप स्वागत आहे. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत की जे लेटेस्ट टेस्टिंग जॉब अपडेट्स आहेत फॉर द टुडे ओनली. सो फॉर एक्सपिरियन्स क्यूए असेल किंवा फ्रेशर्ससाठी जे काही ओपनिंग्स आहेत टेस्टिंग डोमेनमध्ये, तर त्या रिलेटेड डिस्कशन आपण ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये करणार आहोत. मग तुम्हाला ते वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब अवेलेबल असेल किंवा पर्टिक्युलर लोकेशन रिलेटेड जॉब्स अवेलेबल असतील. सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इन्फोसिस हायरिंग. सो ऑर्कपाड कन्सल्टिंग सर्व्हिसेस प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड ही जी कंपनी आहे तर ही कन्सल्टिंग आहे, तर या थ्रू कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट टू हायर पोझिशन साठी ते रिक्रूट करत आहे फॉर देअर क्लायंट इन्फोसिस. सो they are hiring for the test automation developer where the location is a remote, as well as you can choose any one of the location from pan India. So you for that position you must require the 3 to 8 years of experience, and you can directly contact with the Vidyadhan Reddy, who is a principal consultant of this people success Orkapad consultancy. So they are mentioned also mobile number as well as their email ID. So you can directly send your updated resume on their personal or on their email ID. So working hours is 9:30 to 6:30 is a compulsory. So if you are interested in a contract to hire position with Infosys, then you can share your updated profile on this mail ID of vijendra.reddy. So next hiring is for the perfect people search, hiring for their client. So they are not mentioned here which is their clients. So this perfect people search consultancy is hiring for the QA test or the automation engineer. Specifically they are mentioned here PHP and Python. So location will be remote. So they are looking for the 4+ year experience working as a QA test or the automation engineer, as well as they are also looking for the 2+ experience who are having experience in writing the code in PHP and Python for the test automation, as well as if you are having 2+ year of experience using test automation tool, 2+ years of experience in AWS cloud. So if you are having this type of experience, then you can apply for this remote type of job. So if you are having a qualification of BCA, BTech and the BE, so you can also apply for the job. So if you are interested, then you have to click on this link which is in already mentioned in the description box. So you have to click on that link and you have to share your resume to this consultancy. Next hiring is for the McAfee company. So they are looking for the software developer in testing. So the job location will be Bangalore, and they are mentioned here the job description means you are having experience in AWS GCP, as well as you must have a 1+ year of experience in QA, like in manual testing and automation, as well as if you are having experience in working with scripting language such as the Python and relational database like SQL, or if you are having the knowledge of agile environment, then you can apply for this testing job at the McAfee. So if you are interested in the job, then you can apply the link which is described in the description box. Next hiring is for the JM Solution Private Limited, which is a walk-in interview. So they are looking for the software test engineer who are having the 0 to 3 years of experience. So job location will be Hyderabad, and this company is having the walk-in interview. So the dates are 17th August to 20th August. So between these dates you have to visit their office. They are mentioned here the address of their office. So you have to visit their office between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you can contact with their Bhavani, who is having the name Bhavani. So you can meet that particular contact person and you can apply for this job. So they are already mentioned here 2 years of bond is mandatory, and 2 original submission of your what you can say 2 original copy of your document is a mandatory. So if you are interested in the job, then you can go to their office and you can give the interview at JM Solution Private Limited. So next job hiring is at Accruent. So if you are interested to work at the Bangalore location, if you are having experience up to 3 to 5 years, then you can apply for the software engineer in test 2. So they are mentioned here 6 years of test experience. If you are having the 5 years of programming experience like in C Sharp, Java, or the scripting language like Python, or 3 years of test automation experience. So if you are having this type of experience, then you can apply for this job, which is mentioned in our description box. So next point is the if you are interested at Pune and Bangalore location, then you can apply for the company Rocket Software. So they are hiring for the software engineer in test 3, and experience required is that 3 to 7 years of experience. And the job description they are mentioned here, that first point is 5 plus experience is required working on the software quality domain. Then you must have the storage and virtualization domain experience, then good exposure and understanding of Unix and the Linux OS, as well as you can have the experience using the project management tools such as the Jira, and you must have the experience of scripting language or the other languages such as Python. So if you are interested in the job, then you can apply through the link which is in description box. So next hiring is at the Wipro company. So they are hiring for the test engineer. So the location is at New Delhi, and the experience level is a 0. If you are fresher, if you are 2022 pass out student, then you can apply for this Wipro drive. So they are mentioned here the job description. So you should have the knowledge of automating the test life cycle processes, as well as authorizing the text planning with appropriate knowledge of business requirement, and you have to ensure the test cases are peer review and achieving the less rigor. So these type of job descriptions they are mentioned. So if you are interested to work with Wipro, then you can apply on this link which is mentioned in my description box. So next hiring is at the Basalt for the manual test engineer. So they are hiring for their Bangalore location, and the experience is 2 to 4 years. So if you are interested to work with Bedsol, then you have to share your updated resume on this email ID, that is maria.sneha@bedsol.com. So if you are interested in any one of the testing type of job which is at remote location, which is having at different location, then you can apply any one of them. So if you are like this video, then please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video.